Hello there. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to set up your Google Workspace domain. This process is straightforward and doesn't take much time, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Workspace. If you're unsure where to find it, simply type Google Workspace into your preferred search engine, and it should be the first result. Once you're on the Google Workspace homepage, look for the admin console. This is your central hub for managing all settings within your Google Workspace account. Click on it and log in using your business email, which ensures you have the right level of administrative access for managing your domain. After logging in, shift your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the Google Apps menu. Look for the admin icon and select it to access the admin console dashboard. This sets the stage for the next steps. From the dashboard, navigate to the Home section, which serves as your primary navigation point for setting up and managing your Google Workspace domain effectively. On the home page, search for the Domains option and click on it. This is where you manage everything related to your website's domain. Click on Manage Domains to gain complete control over all the domains associated with your Google Workspace account. It's essentially your one-stop shop for overseeing domain setup and maintenance. Next, click on Add a Domain. A prompt will appear asking you to type in the domain name you wish to add. Make sure to input your domain name exactly as registered with your domain provider, as accuracy is crucial for ensuring a seamless connection. Once entered, specify the domain type that matches your business's structure, as this can affect how your domain functionalities perform. Finally, click on Add Domain and start verification. This last step is vital as it begins the verification process, confirming that you own the domain you're connecting. Verification often involves simple steps like clicking a verification link or adding a DNS record. And there you have it, setting up your Google Workspace domain in just a few simple steps. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you encounter any issues, Google support documentation is a fantastic resource. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.